As our day came to a close, on our journey home, the ocean offered us one last special surprise, bringing us into the presence of one of its most unique creations. Mantas. Large, majestic creatures that glide gracefully through our oceans. These gentle giants can reach 7 meters in length from wingtip to wingtip and can live for up to 50 years. Found in both shallow and deeper waters, seeing these animals up close is an experience you will never forget. Dotted along the Great Astrolabe Reef are a few very special locations where mantas visit shallow water spots known as cleaning stations. Here, mantas circle coral bommies in between 3 and 10 meters of water, regularly pausing, suspended in the water column, allowing small reef fish to pick parasites off their bodies. It's a mesmerizing display of nature's harmony and a rare opportunity to connect with one of the ocean's most awe-inspiring inhabitants.